What's up guys, it's Dane. Just thought I'd make an update video for Ramsey. This is his 2014 GT 5.0. He has brought it down here to Richmond, Virginia to get long tube headers installed with Cat Delete X-pipe mid-pipes, I believe, and an intake manifold, a 2018 GT intake manifold. And it's also going to be down here to get Dyno tuned. So just thought I'd make it an update video showing you guys that he brought the car down here and show you some of the parts, and we're going to video the process along the way. So first I'm going to go ahead and show you guys his intake manifold. He got a 2018 Mustang GT manifold.
What the hell going on?
So here's the mounts for it, all that good stuff. When you guys get these, you just want to inspect them and make sure that there is no cracks in this plastic, because once you install it, it's going to be a pain to find out in the tuning process, and then to have to take it all back apart and do it all over again. So yeah, this should add a good bit of power to his car. And then of course, we've got his stainless works headers.
I think we're about to get a segment.
And his catless mid pipes. Hell yeah, brother. Just getting ready to take his car over to the guy to get all of his goodies installed, and just parked her next to a beautiful all black GT 350, as you do. Gorgeous car.
Boom! What is up guys? Welcome back to the Bearded Bros channel. Today we're doing something really fun. We're gonna go pick up Ramsey's car from our friend JR. He put on a long tube header, stainless work long tube headers, and he put on a 2018 manifold to his car. So first thing we got to do is I'm waiting for Jose to come through that door right there, because we need two people, one to drive my car and then one to drive Ramsey's car back home. And then after that, I got to put a tune on his car before we leave. And then we'll be ready to go. This thing is going to be loud. So the whole setup is catless, long tube headers, no resonators, Roush exhaust. This is going to be loud. I love it. I'm going to sound like a NASCAR going through Richmond City. So, all right, guys, let's go.
Touchscreen?
No, it's middle button.
All right, man. What's highlighted though?
You can skip. Skip. Red is highlighted.
Okay, you want me to skip?
Yeah, because the tune's already on there. Yep, we're not using it on the street. All right,
Mexico.
turn key to the on position.
It's in the on position.
Okay, continue.
You have the push button start instructions.
All right, guys, we just got here to pick up Ramsey's car. We got Jose with us. He is helping us out today by getting Ramsey's car
Tuned and back to Andrew's place.
Yeah. So what we're doing right now is we're loading on his tune. He said it should be 93, the newest 93.
Okay.
425, I guess. Not Ghost. That's the cam one. All right, guys. So we're loading the tune on right now, and then we are going to start this car. And like I said earlier, we have stainless works, long tube headers, no cats, no resonators, and yeah, you can, and Roush axle backs. All right, here we can see stainless works, long tube headers are installed. 2018 manifold installed. And then there's the other header there. So we're still waiting for the tune to load here. We might get rained out. We got a thunderstorm here, but we're gonna get this thing started as quickly as possible. All right, Ramsey, here we go, man. All right. Here we go, dude. Oh dear, this is loud. That's crazy! That's nuts!
What is up, Buttercups? Everybody, welcome back to the Bearded Bro channel. We've got some awesome stuff we're doing today. We are here in Richmond. We've got Dane's car here behind me. We're going to be doing some great stuff today. It is time, guys. It is time. We have got the headers installed. We have got the 2018 intake manifold installed. Today's dyno day. So it is, it's a hot one. It's 101 degrees today. So it's going to be interesting. We're going to see what the numbers are going to do. I'm not expecting a whole lot being this hot today, but we're going to see if Kevin at Flim Flam can work his magic, and we'll see what we can do. So stay tuned. We'll show you, and we'll get this rocking and rolling. Let's go.
All right, so it's the next day here. Yeah, that was the stock header over there. But Ramsey just got here. He's gonna start his car for the first time, and he's gonna hear. What happened? It's. Sorry, neighbors. Hope everybody's up in the neighborhood. Yeah. You can't reach the clutch.
Actually, no, I don't.
Alright guys, we're loaded up. We got all the boys together. We're gonna head to Flim Flam. We're gonna get that baby tuned.
It's not 30 degrees, probably 450. I think we're gonna hit right. So it's 445. 445, Bob. Got any guesses?
Well, I'm gonna guess. I'm gonna say your car is a factory freak. I'm gonna go with 455. 455. I like my factory freaks. 455 is what we're going with. By the way, check out Flim Flam Speed. Kevin's awesome. This shop's awesome. As you can see behind me, there's a lot of Mustangs, a lot of cool cars here. Come check it out. Richmond, Virginia. What'd you do? What'd you do?
So when we did the Barton shifter, the Duplo shifter, we forgot to, in the center console there's a plug that connects the trunk button, the traction control, and your hazard lights. Well, you know, sometimes to plug things up,